Hallo, guten Tag, German 1101 online. Back for yet another week of German. Welcome to week 4. We're now about to start week 4, meaning you're at about the halfway point in this course and have covered quite a bit of content in a short amount of time. Remember not to get too overwhelmed if you don't understand everything. Okay. Now that you know how things operate in this class, just keep pushing and try to do your best to express yourself as much as possible in German. If need be, especially if doing a recording, say things out loud slowly before trying to do so in the normal tempo you would with your native language. I'd rather you attempt at writing or saying something and make a mistake than not attempting at all. So don't be shy. It's the only way you'll learn. Okay, week 3 focused on word order and statements and questions and different examples of each. We also covered prepositions in the accusative case as well as being able to identify nationalities. In week 4, we'll learn about weekend activities, the days of the week, and your routines, as well as vocabulary about the family. Grammar-wise, we'll focus on adjective endings, the verb möchte, possessive adjectives, and two types of verbs: stem changing and verbs with a separable prefix. Okay, and as always, I'm excited to work with you during this time. And if you have any questions, bitte schreiben Sie mir eine E-Mail. Danke und bis bald.